Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to the word study lesson. We can use syllable patterns to help with our reading and spelling. We know that a syllable is a word chunk with one vowel sound. We talked about 4 different syllable types: closed syllable, open syllable, R-controlled syllable, and VCE syllable. So let's look at the rules. How can we tell that we have a closed, open, R-controlled, or VCE syllable? So a closed syllable has only one vowel, and it is pronounced with the short sound because it is followed by one or more consonants. So the word hymn is a closed syllable. H-I-M. Hymn. We have the vowel in between 2 consonants. That is a closed syllable. Those 2 consonants are closing that vowel. This is how I always tell my students to look for those closed syllables. Just look for those 2 consonants closing that vowel. That is a closed syllable. An open syllable also has one vowel, but it comes at the end of the syllable, and it's pronounced with the long sound. So the word he, H-E, see the vowel is at the end, it's open, right? E, and it has a long sound. He. The R-controlled syllable has only one vowel, but it's followed by an R. So it could be A-R, O-R, U-R, I-R. So the word shark, S-H-A-R-K, shark. I have the A right before R, right? And that is the R-controlled syllable. And then a VCE syllable is a syllable where you see the final E and the vowel says its name. But there's always a consonant between the vowel and the final E. So for example, the word hide, H-I-D-E, hide. My vowel is right in here. That final E makes that I says its name, hide. So this is a VCE syllable. Okay, so today, we have those 4 types, right? Today we're going to talk about 2 more, and that's it. We're only working with 6 syllable types in 3rd grade. So there are 2 more. The first one is called vowel teams. Vowel team syllable uses more than one vowel. We know that the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y. So there should be 2 vowels right next to each other in order for that pattern to have the vowel team. So we have the word here. E is a vowel and A is a vowel. Those vowels were right next to each other. They're like twins. They're like best friends, right? So that is a vowel team. And then the CLE syllable is always at the end of the word, and you never separate it. So there will be consonant, C, L, and an E. Like in the word table, B is the consonant, L, E. So the word table falls into an C-L-E spelling, a syllable type. All right, so let's look at these words. Longer words, we know, are composed of more than just one syllable. First word, we have create. What word? Create. A create is a verb that means to make. You can create a poem or a recipe for a cake, right? My class created poems with Miss Elsie last week. You guys were creating. Let's see how many syllables we have in the word create. Create. Very good. So there are 2 syllables. I'm going to split my word create into 2 syllables. I'm going to mark the vowels. And now I need to label what type of syllables do I have in here. Cree. I have that E at the end. So this will be an open syllable. I can say open or I can just put an O in there. And then 8. A is a vowel. T is a consonant. And then I have the E. So this one will be VCE. Right? So how can I say the word create in the past tense and in the present tense? In the past tense will be created and creating. Very good. All right, the next word is lead. Let's get our hands out and see how many syllables we have. Lead. Just 1 syllable. Okay, so I don't have to split the word. I mark the vowels. There are 2 vowels right next to each other. So this is going to be a vowel teams, right? I'm going to put vowel teams. Vowel team. And you know what? I forgot to tell you what to lead means. right? To lead, there's a verb that means to direct or guide someone. You can lead the line to lunch, or you can lead the line to when you go to the gym, right? A captain can lead a team. If you play on a soccer team, you can be the captain and you're leading the team. Lead. So let's put this verb in the past tense and in the present tense. Lead. Now, past tense. Leaded. No, I can't do leaded because it's another irregular verb. So in the past tense, it would be led. I led my team all the way to the finals. And in the present tense will be, let's see, what suffix do I add when I want to put my verb in the present tense? Good, ing, leading. Awesome. And the last word is the word protect. Protect is a verb. That means to keep something safe. A watchdog protects the house. Police protect people. Protect. Let's see how many syllables we have in that word. Protect. Very good. We're going to split it between 2 syllables. We're marking the vowels. We can see that there is a vowel at the end, so that will be an open syllable. And now let's look at the text. I have a consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. Good. That is closed. Very good. So now the last step, let's say these words in the present tense and the past tense. Protect. In the past tense will be protected. And in the present tense, protecting. Okay, this is it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned a lot.